Hello everyone, welcome back to the mathematics class again. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So today's topic of the video is the four fundamental operations. So guys, let us go with an example first of all. Let us see. If suppose I brought 5 apples, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have 5 apples with me and my friend has 1, 2, 3 and 4 apples with him. So if somebody asks how many apples altogether you have, so for that what we are simply doing, we are putting all these apples together and we are counting together. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That means we both have 9 apples together. So children, what is this called? This operation is called as addition. So today in our video we are going to learn all the 4 basic mathematical operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and the relationship between all 4 operations. So let us start with another example that is going to make you understand that what is the actual relationship between all these 4 operations. So here we are going to begin with, let us see. Suppose we have 6 cookies in one tray, 6 more cookies in one another tray. So how many cookies I have together, children? Yes, it's 6 plus 6, that is 12. Because here we can quickly count at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now what happened that another one more tray will come? Yes, if we join one more tray, if we bring one more tray of cookies, now we have how many cookies together? Yes, we will add 6 more cookies and we will have 18. Now there are total 18 cookies with us. But children, have you ever thought that if we bring more cookies, like if I have 10 trays of cookies like this, so again I have to do 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. It will be a lengthy process. Yes. So for that, for the easier way, what we are going to do, as I have written 3 times 6. So I can write it down like 3 times 6. 3 times 6 means if we add 3 times 6, we'll have 18. So that is the relationship between, what is this term called, what is this fact called? This is called the multiplication. So did you notice, children, that what is the relationship between this addition and the multiplication? Yes, multiplication is also known as repeated addition. When we are repeatedly adding one term several times, so that is known as the multiplication operation. So I hope this you have understood. Now what happened, children? Suppose we have 18 cookies together and 4 friends came to our house for a party. So what will happen? 4 friends, they have eaten 4 cookies from the trays. Now we have left with 18 minus 4. We have left with 14 cookies. So yes, this is the operation. Next operation, that is called subtraction. So in subtraction, we are likewise in addition, we are putting together thing, and in subtraction, we are keeping away the things. So this is the backward addition. That means in addition, we are joining the things, and in subtraction, we are taking away the things. So this is called the subtraction. Next operation is subtraction. So now children, what will happen now when 7 more guests arrive at your house? Now they are asking to divide what are the rest of the cookies. Rest of the cookies are 14 and the 7 friends ask to divide or to have equal numbers of the cookies. So children, can you guess for me? What will be the number they have? Let us see. So as we are left with 14 cookies with us, so the friends want to take the cookies or to divide the cookies among themselves in equal part. So what is this? Now can you see? Each friend will have two cookies for them when we are dividing the cookies to them equally. So it will be 14 divided by 7, as we are dividing into 7 people. So we will have 2. So this is called the division. Division means when we are distributing the things in equal parts. So that is the division operation. And we can say it like, suppose you can see it is 7 and 2. That means 7 times or 7 times 2 will be 14. So division can also be known as the backward multiplication, or if we have 14 and I subtract this one too, I'll have 12, then this 2, I have 10, then this 2, I have 8, then this 2, we have 6, this one 2, we have 4, this one 2, we have 2, and this one 2, we have 0. That means if I distribute the cookies to the friends one by one, so I will get this number of calculation. So in this way we can relate the division with the subtraction, as well as division is known as the repeated subtraction. So children, quickly recall all the operations again. First operation is addition. Addition means when we are keeping together the things, when we are putting together the things. Second one is subtraction. Subtraction means to reducing or to removing the things from a given group. Multiplication. Multiplication is also known as the repeated addition. That means we are writing several number of same things together. Like if we have 4 8s, so I can add 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, that will be 32, or else I can do 4 times 8, that is also equals to 32. So in this way, multiplication is also known as the repeated addition. And as the last option we have seen, last operation, that is division, that is also the backward multiplication or repeated subtraction. So I hope children you have understood the topic very well, and now you have to do the given assignment. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye. Thank you.